Have you ever wondered why the happiest or saddest moments of your life are etched so vividly in your mind, while everyday events fade away like a dream? This isn't a coincidence, it's your brain's way of prioritizing what matters most to you. Emotional memories have a profound impact on how we think, feel, and make decisions. In this article, we'll explore the fascinating psychology behind why emotions play such a crucial role in shaping our memories. From scientific explanations to practical insights, let's dive into the reasons why your brain remembers emotions so well. Why we remember emotions. Emotions trigger the amygdala. The amygdala, located deep within the brain, plays a critical role in emotional processing and memory formation. It acts as an alert system, recognizing emotionally significant events and signaling the brain to store these moments more effectively. For instance, a joyful wedding day or a frightening accident will activate the amygdala, ensuring these memories are deeply encoded. This function explains why emotional experiences often feel more vivid and long-lasting compared to neutral ones. Survival mechanism. Emotional memories are deeply rooted in evolution. Our ancestors needed to remember life-threatening events, such as encounters with predators, to avoid similar dangers in the future. Similarly, moments of joy and safety, such as finding food or shelter, were stored to encourage the repetition of beneficial behaviors. This evolutionary advantage ensures that experiences tied to strong emotions are prioritized and preserved as survival tools. Stronger neural pathways. When emotions are involved, the brain forms stronger neural connections, effectively reinforcing the memory. Emotional arousal boosts the activity of synaptic pathways, making it easier for the brain to retrieve the memory later. For example, the memory of a heartfelt conversation with a loved one will feel sharper and more accessible than a mundane task like grocery shopping. Hormones enhance memory retention. During intense emotional experiences, the body releases stress hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones not only prepare the body for a fight-or-flight response but also influence the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory. This hormonal surge strengthens the encoding process, making emotional memories more robust. This is why moments of extreme joy, fear, or sadness tend to stick with us for years. Emotions add context to memories. Memories tied to emotions often come with vivid sensory details. For instance, the smell of rain might remind you of a childhood moment spent playing outside, or a specific song may bring back the emotions of a school farewell. These contextual cues, shaped by emotions, create a web of associations in the brain, making the memory easier to access and more meaningful. Positive emotions reinforce learning. Positive emotions release dopamine, a neurotransmitter that enhances learning and motivation. Dopamine not only makes the experience feel rewarding but also strengthens the memory associated with it. For example, receiving praise for a job well done creates a lasting impression that encourages similar behavior in the future. Negative emotions serve as warnings. Negative emotions, such as fear or sadness, act as cautionary markers. The brain prioritizes these memories to help us avoid repeating mistakes or encountering harmful situations. For example, a near-miss car accident creates a vivid memory that makes you more cautious when driving in similar conditions. Emotional stories are more memorable. The human brain is wired to process stories more effectively than isolated facts. When an event is tied to an emotional narrative, it becomes easier to recall. For instance, a touching story shared during a speech will resonate more than raw statistics because the emotional connection enhances memory retention. The brain prioritizes emotional relevance. The brain has a filtering mechanism that ignores irrelevant or unimportant details while prioritizing emotionally significant events. This selective process ensures that we remember moments that have a meaningful impact on our lives, such as a heartfelt compliment or a devastating loss, while forgetting routine activities. Emotional memories activate multiple brain regions. Emotional experiences engage multiple brain areas, including the hippocampus, prefrontal cortex, and amygdala. This widespread activation creates a network of connections, making the memory stronger and more accessible. For instance, an emotional event like a graduation ceremony involves feelings, visual details, and contextual significance, all of which are encoded together.